Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the K-mxerpro UHF dual-channel wireless microphone system, featuring a durable all-metal design built to last and resist interference. This cordless microphone kit includes two handheld dynamic mics with high-sensitivity unidirectional cartridges that reduce feedback for crystal-clear sound. It offers effortless plug-and-play compatibility with most audio mixers, amplifiers, karaoke machines, and speakers via the included 1/4-inch cable. Enjoy a stable 230-foot wireless range with ultra-signal stability thanks to advanced connection chips and fixed-frequency design. The system provides clear, high-fidelity audio perfect for karaoke, parties, churches, weddings, and classroom use. The receiver's LCD display shows microphone channels and volume with easy adjustment using two volume knobs. Inside the package, you'll find everything needed for setup, including microphones, receiver, antennas, power adapter, audio cable, and user manual. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.